hello everyone. Mega love shoutout. Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw, magandang hapon, or magandang umaga kung saan man kayo naroon. Ayan, so enjoy. Thank you so much. Okay, para sa inyo. Woo! From Tina Turner, Helen in Germany, the sing-bird version. I call you when I need you, my heart's on fire. You come to me wild. Woo. When you come to me, give my everything I need. Give a lifetime of promises and a world of dreams. Speak the language of love like you know what it means. Ooh. And it can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong, baby. You're simply the best. Ooh. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone I ever met. Stuck on your heart. I'm hung on every word you say. Tear us apart. Baby, I would rather be dead. In your heart, I see the stars, and every night and every day. Ooh. In your eyes, I get lost, I get washed away. Just as long as I'm here in your arms, I could be a better place. Ooh. Been simply the best. Ooh. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone I ever met. All times stuck on your heart. I hung on every word you say. Tear us apart. No. Baby, I would rather be dead. Ooh. It's time you leave me, I start losing control. You're walking away with my heart, my soul. I can feel you even when I'm alone. Oh baby, don't let go. Helen in Germany, the singing bird version. Woo! Yeah! Enjoy! You're the best! Better than all the rest. Better than anyone I ever met. I'm stuck on your heart. I hung on every word you say. Tear us apart. No. Baby, I would rather be dead. Oh, you're the best. Ooh. Okay, you're the best. Enjoy. Another Helen in Germany, the singing bird version. Woo. Enjoy. You must understand how the touch of your hand makes you pulse, react. That is only the thrill of boy meeting girl. Opposites attract. It's mythical, only logical. You must try to ignore that it means more than that. Oh, what's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do with it? Who needs a heart when a heart being broken? Listen to you, and I'm acting confused when you're close to me. Yeah, if I tend to look dazed and read it someplace, I've got cause to be. There's no name for it. There's a phrase for fits. Whew. But whatever the reason, you do it for me. Oh, what's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do with it? Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? Ooh, no, no. Enjoy. Helen in Germany, the singing version. A Latina Turner. Been taken a new direction, but I have to say, I've been thinking about my own protection. I'm sure need to feel this way. Oh, what's love got to do with it? What's love but the second-hand emotion? What's love got to do with it? Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? Love got to do with it. What's love but sweet old-fashioned notion? What's love got to do with it? Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? Love got to do with it. What's love but second-hand emotion? Who enjoy? Who is a heart broken? Who enjoy? Ayan. Special songs from Tina Turner. Ayan. From Helen in Germany, the singing version. Salamat po. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Okay, I love you all guys. See you next time. Okay. Thank you.